Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to clear cached images and files in the last 7 days in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through this step-by-step process to effectively clear your cached data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Locate and click on Clear Browsing Data. Step 6. In the Time Range box, click on the drop-down menu and select Last 7 days. Step 7. Click on the box next to Cached Images and Files to turn it blue. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to remove the cached images and files from the last 7 days. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear cached images and files in Chrome on your PC within the last 7 days.